Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. And if you are looking for a really versatile outdoor fan that needs zero hardwiring, then you're going to love this one.
Transform your outdoor space with the AHA Will Outdoor Hanging Ceiling Fan with lights. It is stylish, versatile, and is plug and play. It is a 16-inch ceiling fan designed to elevate your patio experience. It features a multi-angle adjustability and built-in LED light, and it offers customizable airflow and ambiance whenever you need it. The control is right at your fingertips. You can switch speeds, change the light settings, or adjust the direction, all with the super easy to use remote. It is quiet, powerful, and lightweight and easy to install. Exactly what I wanted for my front porch so I can sit out here, read, and have a breeze blowing right on me.
So, if you want to spruce up your outdoor space without having to do a ton of work, then you are going to love this light fan combo. I am completely obsessed with it, and that is my point of view.